Setting the scene. How setting conveys a message. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're delving into an exciting part of storytelling, the setting. But we won't just talk about what setting is. We'll explore how you can use the setting to convey a message. So, let's get started. The setting of a story is where and when it takes place. It can be a real location like New York City or a made-up place like Hogwarts. The setting also includes the time period, which could be the past, present, future, or even a timeless mythical era. The setting isn't just a backdrop. It plays a crucial role in shaping the story, influencing character behavior, and conveying a message. The setting can enhance your storytelling by providing context and setting the mood for the narrative. The theme of a story is its central idea or message. It's what the story is really about, at its core. Now, the setting can greatly impact the theme of a story. It can reflect, enhance, or contrast with the theme. For instance, a story about isolation might be set in a desolate landscape or a crowded city where the character feels alone. Both settings underline the theme of isolation but in different ways. Now, let's dive into how to use the setting to convey a message. It's an effective tool for subtly sharing ideas and feelings with your audience. 1. Symbology. The elements of the setting can symbolize concepts or feelings. For example, a storm could symbolize turmoil, or a sunrise could symbolize hope. 2. Atmosphere. The setting can create a specific mood or atmosphere that underlines the message of the story. A gloomy, haunted house can set a spooky atmosphere, reinforcing a horror theme. 3. Context. The setting provides context that can influence characters' decisions and actions, thereby contributing to the message. For example, a story set during a war may see characters making choices that highlight themes of survival or the human spirit. Remember, the key is subtlety. The setting should support the message, not overpower it. And that wraps up our discussion on using setting to convey a message in storytelling. Remember, as you shape your stories, give the setting the attention it deserves. It's not just where the story happens. It's part of what makes the story meaningful. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this lesson helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and happy storytelling.